I'm taking a little break. I got that fucking water with that fucking ice. You already know the deal. All right. So, what have I done so far? Oh shit. Ah shit, man. All right, Ghost Riders. I put the nut back. Of course, not tight. Don't be a fucking moron. Just put it on there. See that shit? All right, good. All right, so now the issue that I'm having here is trying to put this fucking piece back in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna relieve all the pressure from that little jack, put it under here, as I put it under here, of course, the shit's gonna come up. It's gonna press against this strut, and it's gonna make it easier for me to tighten these bolts, as well as tighten these bolts. Right? Always make sure to have just a little bit of thread in here, just in case. Right? It just gives you just enough wiggle room before the hole pops out. Right? All right. Fuck. Just enough wiggle room before the hole pops out. All right. I did the other side. Of course, the other side doesn't have the bracket as well. But, you know, that's life. Shit, bracket. All right, man, I'm tired. I'm almost done with the sway bar. I hope this helps somebody save money, right? But please make sure to always have these shits. They're gonna save your life. Like I said, it's best to put it under, but I did it. But like I said, this is all the way down. The shit's not gonna pop on me, right? It's not gonna explode and kill me, thank God. Well, I hope it doesn't. Knock on Mercedes-Benz. All right, so we'll get through it. If anybody's wondering what happened to the aromatic malfunction thing, yeah, I'm saving up money, man. I ended up doing what I need to get done. The issue here is I need a new aromatic pump, right? That shit's like fucking 3 something or 5 something, I forget. But the point is, whenever I get the money for it, I'm gonna fix it. At the moment, I'm not gonna do it. I still have the malfunction issue, but the other code cleared. That code was okay, there's 2 codes. One was the pump's bad, the other one was the connection's bad, right? So the connection is bad, that one went away. Now it's just the pump is bad. Of course, cool. I already knew the pump was bad. Why? Because it's an aftermarket piece of shit pump from Amazon. All right, you guys. So we're gonna get to it. You know, fucking everything's in reverse order. Oh Jesus! Oh no, thank God! I thought I lost that piece. Oh, I was gonna die. I was gonna commit suicide. Fuck. Oh shit. Alright, whatever. Oh, bitch. Alright. I'll let you guys know how it goes. So, that little jelly, that's an anti-corrosion because it's in corrosion on there. Alright, so I ended up doing it. I put the jack under. I did it. Once I did that, I put this one on top. You're gonna count. Look at my fucking nail, right? You're gonna count my nail. Let me see. It's gonna be 1 nail, 2 nails. So 2 fucking nails are gonna have to. Hola, ¿cómo está? All right, my bad. All right, 2 fucking nails is gonna be 1 nail here, 1 nail there, and then that's it. Oh shit! Whenever you're doing it, you're gonna have issues. Remember, it's gonna be a 16. Also, you're gonna need one of these. Number T25. You're gonna have to put it in this and adjust it, and as you turn it, it's gonna get stuck right here to tighten it. So once it gets stuck right there, just keep tightening it until you get 1 nail, 2 nails. How do you know it's 2 nails? Well, I went to the other side, I did the same thing, and that was dealer spec, right? Two nails, that's what the fuck I'm gonna call it. 2 nails. I put anti-corrosion on this shit too. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm either gonna tighten these, or I don't know. I'll let you guys know. But I did it. This is tightened. This is in. This is in. Everything's done. Sway bar's in. All right, the vehicle's done. Ended up taking out everything, whatever. I put everything back. I have yet to torque the lug nuts to 100. 100 foot-pounds. What else? I have to also put that on. How I'm gonna do it is Turn on the car, let the car lift up because right now it's dropped, slammed to the floor. Believe it or not, it is. I just have the jack under still because it can't come out. But after the car raises, I'm gonna put it back here and then start doing it, right? I'm not gonna show you guys how to do this because it's explanatory. 8 millimeters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 on that one, and then 8 millimeters again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's see. 4 on this side, 4 on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So wait. 4, 4, 4, 4, 16. All right, there you go. I was tripping out. All right, I'll let you guys know what happens after this. I'm gonna see if I can make an appointment with the dealer and get the alignment done. I don't think it's gonna be anything bad with alignment, but I might as well get it. You never know. Safe than sorry, right? All right. Copy out, Ghost Riders. I hope you have a good, fantastic Mercedes-Benz day. And see you guys on the next one.